In the grand tapestry of nature, few creatures capture our imagination quite like the butterfly. These delicate beings, with their vibrant wings and graceful flight, seem to embody the very essence of beauty. They dance on the breeze, flitting from flower to flower. Their presence brings a touch of magic to any garden or meadow. Butterflies are nature's living art, painted with an array of colors that dazzle the eye. But there's more to these enchanting insects than meets the eye. Their beauty is not just skin deep. It's the result of one of the most remarkable transformations in the natural world. The journey from egg to adult butterfly is a testament to nature's ingenuity. Join me on this journey of discovery. Our journey begins with something so small, it's often overlooked. The butterfly egg is a marvel of nature's design. These tiny capsules of life are no larger than a pinhead. Yet within each one lies the potential for a creature of extraordinary beauty. Butterfly eggs come in various shapes and colors. Some are round, others oval, some are ribbed, others smooth. Their colors range from white to yellow, green to brown. The mother butterfly chooses her egg-laying sites with great care. She seeks out specific plants that will nourish her offspring. These host plants are crucial to the survival of the next generation. With remarkable precision, she attaches her eggs to the underside of leaves. This placement protects the eggs from predators and harsh weather. Inside each egg, a miracle is unfolding. The embryo is developing, feeding on the nutrients within the egg. This stage can last anywhere from a few days to several weeks. As the embryo grows, the egg changes. It becomes darker, more transparent. The outline of the tiny caterpillar inside becomes visible. Finally, the eggshell splits open and a tiny caterpillar emerges. As we move to the next stage, we encounter a creature that seems worlds apart from the butterfly it will become. The caterpillar, or larva, is nature's eating machine. Its sole purpose is to eat and grow, and eat it does. A caterpillar can consume many times its own weight in plant matter every day. This voracious appetite is crucial for its development. It's storing up energy and nutrients for the transformative process that lies ahead. Caterpillars come in an astonishing variety of shapes, sizes and colours. Some are smooth and green, blending perfectly with leaves. Others are hairy or spiky, warning predators to stay away. Many have intricate patterns or bright colours. These serve as camouflage or as warning signals. As the caterpillar grows, it faces a unique challenge. Its skin doesn't grow with it. Instead, it must shed its old skin and grow a new one. This process is called molting. A caterpillar may molt 4 or 5 times during its growth phase. Each molt reveals a larger, often differently coloured caterpillar. Inside their bodies, special cells called imaginal discs are developing. We now come to the most magical stage of the butterfly's life cycle, the chrysalis. When the caterpillar has grown, it finds a safe spot. Here, it undergoes a dramatic transformation. The caterpillar sheds its final skin to reveal a chrysalis. It's the beginning of a complete metamorphosis. From the outside, it looks like a simple shell, but inside, an incredible process is taking place. The caterpillar's body breaks down and reforms into a butterfly. Nature's most dramatic makeover is almost complete. Section 5. Spreading wings, the butterfly emerges. At last, we reach the moment we've all been waiting for. The chrysalis splits open. Slowly, carefully, a butterfly emerges. At first, it's hardly recognizable as the beautiful creature it will become. Its wings are small, crumpled, and damp. Its body is swollen and soft. But the butterfly knows exactly what to do. It clings to the empty chrysalis case or to a nearby stem. It begins the crucial process of wing expansion. The butterfly pumps fluid from its swollen abdomen into its wing veins. Gradually, the wings expand and take shape. It's a delicate process that can take several hours. During this time, the butterfly is extremely vulnerable. It can't fly away from danger, but if all goes well, its wings will reach their full size and harden. The butterfly's body will slim down as fluid moves into the wings. Slowly but surely, a fully formed adult butterfly comes into being. When its wings are dry and fully hardened, the butterfly is ready for its first flight. This moment is both thrilling and perilous. The butterfly must quickly master the use of its wings. It needs to find food and avoid predators. The adult butterfly's life is relatively short, often lasting just a few weeks. Section 6. Masters of pollination, butterflies in the ecosystem. Butterflies are far more than just beautiful creatures to admire. They play a crucial role in our ecosystems. One of their most important functions is as pollinators. As butterflies feed on nectar, they transfer pollen from flower to flower. This process is essential for the reproduction of many plant species. Without pollinators like butterflies, many of our wildflowers and crops would struggle to survive. The relationship between butterflies and flowers is a beautiful example of co-evolution. Many flowers have evolved specific shapes, colors and scents to attract butterflies. In turn, butterflies have developed long proboscises to reach deep into flowers for nectar. This partnership benefits both parties. The butterfly gets food and the plant gets pollinated. Butterflies are also important members of the food chain. Many birds, small mammals and other insects rely on butterflies and their caterpillars as a food source. In this way, butterflies help to transfer energy and nutrients through the ecosystem. They connect plants to animals and smaller animals to larger ones. Butterflies serve as indicators of ecosystem health. Butterflies and biodiversity. Butterflies are a key component of biodiversity. There are about 18,000 species of butterflies worldwide. This diversity is crucial for ecosystem health. Different species pollinate different plants. However, butterfly diversity is under threat. Habitat loss and climate change are major factors. Pesticides also harm butterflies. The decline of butterflies affects biodiversity. Section 8. Symbols of change. Butterflies in human culture. Butterflies have captivated human imagination for millennia. Their beauty and their remarkable transformation have made them powerful symbols in many cultures. In ancient Greece, the butterfly was associated with the soul. The Greek word for butterfly, psyche, also means soul. This connection between butterflies and the spiritual realm is found in many cultures around the world. In some Native American traditions, butterflies are seen as carriers of dreams and wishes. The butterfly's dramatic metamorphosis has made it a universal symbol of change and transformation. In many stories and myths, the butterfly represents personal growth and evolution. It reminds us that change, though sometimes difficult, can lead to beauty and freedom. This symbolism has found its way into literature, art and popular culture. From children's books to corporate logos, the butterfly's image is used to represent positive change and renewal. In more recent times, butterflies have become symbols of environmental awareness. The monarch butterfly, with its incredible multi-generational migration, has become an icon of conservation efforts. Section 9. The butterfly effect. Small actions, big impact. The term butterfly effect has become well known in popular culture. It comes from the idea that the flap of a butterfly's wings could, theoretically, cause a tornado on the other side of the world. While this specific scenario is not meant to be taken literally, it illustrates an important concept. Small actions can have large, unforeseen consequences. This idea has profound implications for how we think about butterflies and their role in the environment. In ecological terms, the butterfly effect is very real. The loss of a single plant species might seem insignificant, but if that plant was the sole food source for a butterfly species, the consequences can be dramatic. The loss of that butterfly species could then affect the plants it pollinated and the animals that fed on it. These changes could ripple outward, altering the entire ecosystem. The butterfly effect also applies to positive actions. Small steps to help butterflies can have far-reaching benefits. Planting a butterfly garden, for instance, doesn't just provide food for butterflies. It also creates habitat for other pollinators and insects. A single butterfly-friendly garden can become a small oasis of biodiversity. Section 10. Protecting our winged friends. Conservation efforts. As we've seen, butterflies face numerous threats in today's world, but there is hope. Around the globe, dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect these beautiful insects.